Master facial anatomy with confidence. If you're serious about elevating your aesthetic skills, Empire Medical Training's Facial Cadaver Dissection Workshop is a must. This fully immersive, hands-on experience is led by expert physician faculty and combines live demonstrations, didactic education, and cadaver dissection all in one comprehensive program. You'll review detailed facial anatomy, including muscle structures, vascular pathways, nerve innervations, fat compartments, and the key landmarks that every injector must know. Whether you're an advanced provider or just starting out, this course will teach you how to identify danger zones, avoid complications, and perform safer, more precise injections. This is not just another lecture. This is real, practical training that gives you the confidence to treat patients with clarity and accuracy. You'll walk away with a deeper understanding of facial layers, improved technique, and the ability to troubleshoot and prevent aesthetic emergencies before they happen. The course is approved for 8 Category 1 credits, and it's designed specifically for physicians, dentists, and nurses in the aesthetic field. Join over 175,000 graduates who trust Empire Medical Training to deliver expert education in aesthetics, functional medicine, pain management, and more. Visit empiremedicaltraining.com or call 8445-653131 to reserve your seat. Seats are limited, so call today.